and welcome back to Greenstone Ivy. I hope everyone's well. So it's a lovely afternoon, it's like 20 degrees, 22 degrees. I've been making bird baths all morning and I've just put them outside to dry. They're not going to take long in this weather, but I'm just about to start my next job. So this is going to be the Queen's Jubilee stone for the Hathersage Parish Council. So this piece of stone is going to be going in the heart for Hathersage project. So this piece of stone was donated by Mr Shuttleworth. It's an old gate post, piece of Derbyshire grit, really nice piece of stone, but it's just under a tonne. So it's not going to be going on my workbench like the previous stone we've just carved for the Longley Farm project. So David Monk's contacted me now probably like 4 weeks ago about doing this job. So they've picked a design which they want to do. So they released a certain amount of designs for the Queen's Jubilee. They've picked which one they want in Hathersage. They've sent me the artwork over. We've made the stencil up on the computer and we've got it ready to go on my workbench. I've had James Marsden bring this piece of stone down for me on his tractor, which makes life easier. We've unloaded it with a forklift. But before I start carving it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a good brush down with a good stiff brush. I'm going to slightly polish the top off. I'm not going to change the colour, I'm not going to polish it right back. I just want to take any rough edges off and just make a flatter surface. I think it'll make it easier for putting the stencil on and it'll make it easier for carving. So what I'm going to do now, I've got it on the forklift, I'll start it up, we'll take it round and we'll get going. that's it, I'm all done. Just in time as well, it's just started raining again. So I'll get this covered up and then we'll get it delivered to Hathersage next week, ready for the Jubilee. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all next time.